2 hours, Tom.
I can see that.
We have been here since 5:30.
I know.
Because you wanted to beat the traffic.
The traffic was very bad.
At 4:30 in the morning.
You never know.
I want to go home.
Leo, we are going on vacation.
I want to go on vacation at home.
Tom, sit down.
I am fine standing.
Dad, how did we end up here at 5:30 in the morning?
It started 3 days ago. I had a plan. I have an announcement.
Are we in trouble?
No, Leo, we are not in trouble.
Tom, what is it?
This year, we are going on a family vacation.
Vacation?
Tom, when did you decide this?
Just now. I saw a good deal online.
Where are we going? Beach? Mountains? Theme park? I vote theme park.
Theme park! Theme park! I vote theme park!
Nobody is voting anything. Let Dad explain.
I found a good deal. 4 days, good hotel, good price. Okay, everyone write down what they want.
I want a comfortable hotel, clean rooms, good breakfast, not too far from the city. And one day where we do nothing, just rest.
That sounds boring.
Lily, your turn.
Theme park. Roller coasters, water slides, the biggest one they have.
And candy! A lot of candy!
Leo, that is not a vacation plan. That is a stomachache.
I want a stomachache then.
My turn. I found a beautiful destination. Peaceful, quiet, very good reviews.
Is there a theme park?
There is a nature walk
Dad!
and a small lake.
Dad!
Fine, I will look at theme parks.
Yes!
Yes!
Tom, what is the budget?
It is manageable. I found a very affordable flight.
Which one?
7:30 in the morning.
That is reasonable.
We leave the house at 4:30.
4:30?
Traffic can be very bad.
Tom, the flight is at 7:30. Are we really leaving at 4:30?
I want to sleep at the airport.
See? Leo is fine with it.
Leo is 6 years old. He would be fine sleeping in a shopping cart. Tom, what do you actually want from this vacation?
I want us to be together. Away from work. Away from school. I just want 1 week where we are all happy at the same time.
That is very sweet, Tom.
Dad, we want that too. We just need a theme park to get there.
If I find a theme park resort
Yes!
with a comfortable hotel,
Are we still going to the theme park?
we are going to the theme park. But we wake up at 6.
They have no idea what 5:30 feels like.
Neither do I. So, that is how we ended up here.
Are we still going to the theme park?
Yes, Leo, we are still going.
Even with the delay?
Even with the delay.
Okay. I am not tired anymore.
Next time, ask me before announcing a vacation.
Where is the fun in that?
I married a child.
You married a man who is taking you on a theme park vacation.
Tom,
Dad, I am glad you announced the vacation, even with the 4 a.m. wake up.